Welcome to the demo on survival analysis. We will use it for customer churn prediction. We'll try to make a survival analysis plot with which you can know the probability of a customer leaving for a given point in time. The demo is available on my platform experiencedatascience.com. You can also try it out. No coding is required and you can also work with your own data. So friends, let us get started. Survival analysis is a very useful technique which is used in various areas such as customer churn prediction, patient survival, and predicting machine failures. In this demo, I will show you on how to use survival analysis for customer churn prediction. Now let me go to the demo which is available on my platform experiencedatascience.com. And let me first start by selecting the demo. The data set which I'll be using is based on telco customer churn, and you can also upload your own data by using the add button. As of now, I will go ahead and select the telco customer churn data set and make it ready to use. The data set is now set up, so let me go ahead and use it. Here you'll see multiple tabs, and let me first start by showing you the data. I will select a few records to show all the columns and let me run. Alright, so here is how the data looks like. The data has got customer ID, the tenure, which is the number of months the customer is with the telecommunication company. The data has also got a column for churn where 1 means that the customer has left or churned and 0 means the customer is still there and not churned. And for survival analysis, you need two information, the duration and the observed event. And in our case, the duration corresponds to the tenure in months and the observed event corresponds to the churn. Now before we go into the survival analysis, let us make a histogram on tenure. I will select the tenure column and few other settings and then hit run. So here is the histogram. On the x-axis you have the tenure in months and on the y-axis is the number of customers. We can observe that most of the customers stay between 0 and 2 months, and after that the number of customers decrease with time. But we also observe that if the customer stays or let's say survives for 68 months, he will continue to stay. Alright my friends, we are now ready to make the survival analysis. And for survival analysis, we need to set the duration, which is the tenure, and we need to set the observed event, which is the churn. So let me now run. And in a while, I will get the results. This visualization is also called the survival analysis plot. On the x-axis, you have the timeline, which corresponds to the tenure in months. And on the y-axis, you have the survival probability. As you'll observe that higher the tenure, less is the probability of survival. In other words, higher the tenure, it also means that there is a high probability that the customer will churn. And this also corresponds to our histogram interpretation. You can also find out the survival probability by time by hovering over the dots. So for example, for a customer who has been for 20 months, there is an 80% probability that the customer will survive or continue and 20% probability that the customer will churn. However, for the customer who has been for 72 months, the survival probability decreases and the probability that the customer will churn doubles to 40%. So my friends, hopefully you have enjoyed the video. Just for fun, you can also use survival analysis to find out the probability of survival of your marriage or relation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like, and see you in the next video.